A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I will not take any live trading. Today I will show you how exactly support and resistance work. So first of all, what I will do, I will mark one support or resistance line. So here you can see this particular area acted as a resistance. Okay, so let me take out the pen first. So as you can see, this particular zone acted as a resistance and which was breakout with this particular candle, and exact this area priced acted as a support. So let's find out how much strong resistance is this and how much support, strong support these lines are. So what I will do, I will simply go back and I will find out. So let's find out. So I will go back. See, this particular area is acting as a resistance 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now go back again. Now go back more. Let me delete this all lines. So you can see, you can simply see this area has acted as a very strong resistance. Now we will go back. Let's see how much strong is this. As you can see, the price is acted as a resistance here itself, also here itself, here itself. Now we will go back again more. We will find out how much strong is this. Alright, you have seen here also, and we will go back more. So you can see here itself also, here also, how much strong resistance is this. Okay, what I will do, I will switch to the 4-hour chart. Now we will find out how much strong is this. So as you can see, this particular area has acted as a resistance, but not strong that much. Okay, let's go back. Alright, as I said you, this particular area, see, acted as a support also. How strong this area acted. Now we will go back. Let's find out. Okay, I couldn't find anything, so let's switch to the daily chart. Alright. As you can see, this particular area acted as a strong support, and this area acted as a resistance also. So what I want to explain you clearly, that whenever you are find any support or resistance which will definitely work in the past also, so that particular support and resistance area will be a very strong and supportive, strong, like support and resistance lines. So if you find anything like that, you may reliable on that. You may take trade on that particular support and resistance area. So it's not even working on a like particularly day chart, 4-hour chart. It's working on all over the time frame. Let me show you like in 5 minutes, in 15 minutes chart. Okay, so as you can see, this particular area acted as a resistance. So let me mark this zone and we will go back to find out. I'm sorry. So and one more thing I want to tell you, whenever you see any wig like this, and after that candle make like this, you should make your line, horizontal line, first on this and second on this, and find out on the back, on the previously past, how this line is working and which one is like very much strong. So we will go back and we will find out. Okay, alright, see. So as I can see that this particular area acted as a support, resistance also, and support also, which has broke out and acted as a resistance also. So let's go back and let's see how strong is this. Alright, as you can see, the same area price acted as a resistance, the same area price acted as a resistance. This is what I'm talking about. So whenever you are going to trade in forex, this particular support and resistance line will be a very helpful to us to take a trade. Okay, now here also you can see price reacted on this particular zone. See, and here also you can see price acted as a support. So we have to find out which one is a very strong support and which one is a very strong resistance. Like you can see at this area, this particular area. Okay, let me mark the zone. I will be definitely reliable on this line, this one, because this particular area show me that if the price will reach this place, the price will definitely react at this area. So and my next support will be this, not this one. See how strongly this one working. So if the price is not reacted in this area, definitely price will react on this particular area. See, as you can see, this particular line price had touched and boom, went up. Then after that price again tried to reach this place. It's tried to break out, it's break the price, but unfortunately price again break out and take a support zone, and boom, see, price went up. This is how the support and resistance line properly working. Okay, so if you find out the price is breaking out or price is taking a support on that particular area, you may take a trade on that pair. Okay, let's see what is the condition of this place right now. So right now, as I can see, this particular area acted as a support. So what I will do, I will simply take a trade on Euro USD. So but I don't think so I will take any trade today. My main motive is to like give you proper knowledge about how support and resistance is actually working. So if I would take a trade in this particular zone, my target will be, take profit will be this area, because let me show you, let me take a live trade in front of you. So I will put a sell order and I will switch to the 15-minute chart and so I will close my trade in behalf of 5-minute chart. So as I can see, in this particular area. Sorry, network issue. So as I can see, this particular area is my nearest, it's my nearest resistance zone, so which will provide me a 10 pips. So as I take a trade on based on 15-minute chart, so nearest support will be like as you can see, this particular area acted as a support. So if the price is broke out this place, and the price will definitely come to this place, and after that boom, it will go up or it will go down. So this is how support and resistance work. So let's see what gonna happen with this trade. Till the time where I will explain you another thing. So let's go to the trading view. Let's find out another pair, GBP/USD. Alright, as you can see, price is near to this resistance zone. Okay, which one is this, and another one is this, and price is right now ranging at this place. So let's find out, let's go to back and we will find out how strong this resistance area is. This, first of all, you can see in 15-minute chart, one time price has reacted, two time price has reacted, and let's go back. Okay, see, here price has reacted, here also price has reacted, and here also price has reacted as a support. So this two area acted as a resistance, and this two area acted as a resistance, like support. And as I can see, this place also acted as a resistance, so which is already I marked previously. So I will simply delete this one and I will go back. Alright, this area acted as a support, so I will go back more, find out. So price has reacted this particular area. So I will simply, what I will do, I will go to trading view chart, and let's find out GBP/USD, and I will simply put a sell order in this. And what will be my take profit as per my 5-minute chart? So this particular area is my nearest like a resistance zone. So right now I have placed a 2 order in front of you. Let's find out what will happen with this 2 trade, and let me explain you and more about support and resistance. So as you can see, this particular area acted as a support, support, not even support, it is acted as a resistance also. So look, we will go back and we will find out. It is very, very interesting. It is very, very interesting. See, this particular area has reacted as a resistance, this area acted as a resistance, this particular area acted as a like support, and this area acted as a resistance. So as you can see, let me zoom out. You can find out this area is strongly acted as a resistance and support also. So we will go back, let's see. My main motive is to make you understand, like, price will definitely react 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. If the price is react so many times, that like particular zone, that particular zone is very, very strong. You may reliable to take a trade on that particular area. So as you can see, this area acted as a support. After breakout, it took as a resistance. This is how the trading is working. So, oh my god, oh my god, look at that, look at that. This is not work at as you can see, it not even work one time, it worked so many times. And one thing I would like to tell you, if you are making any support or resistance line like in 15-minute chart, I would request you, if you took any trade in behalf of 15-minute chart, I would request you to please close your trade as per 5-minute chart. That will be very helpful to you. Now as you can see, both of the trade is going on against me, but I have faith, like I will definitely achieve this like profit. So till the time, what I will do, I will simply show you more about support and resistance line. Like let's go to the NZD. This is a very slow moving pair, but it's very good. Let's switch to the weekly chart. Alright, let me delete all the lines, all the support and resistance line. So as you may see, this area, okay, and alright, this area, what you can see at this particular zone, see price has reacted as a support in this particular area, and after that price has broke out this particular zone. So what I will simply do, I will find out this zone is very much suitable for the sell order or like buy order. So let's go back. Alright, as you can see here, price acted as a support. Here price after breakout, it took as a resistance, and you can see also price has acted as a support here. So as I can see, this particular zone is more stronger than previous one, because it not act, you see, one time, two time, three time, and after breakout, resistance. Let's go to switch to current condition. Okay, price now right now it is ranging in a support zone, and it is broke out, right? Like as you can see, price is broke out with this particular candle, and after that it broke out again with bearish candle, like bullish candle. So right now price is going up. Oh my god. So this is how support and resistance working. So let's find out. So this two area is acting as a resistance support, and this one is acted as a resistance. So let's see how strong this resistance area is. This, okay, very strong. We are on the weekly chart, okay. So as you can see, we are in June 1994, before my birth. So we have moved to the 1 hour daily chart. See how strong is this? 1 2 3 support. Let's go back. So my main motive is to make you understand, if the price will, this is a support zone, if the price have touched this place, breakout, touch this place, it went up, and will definitely come to this place to touch, and it will react as the same support at least one time, two time, first attempt and second attempt, and after that if the price is broke out, it will work as a, if the price touch, it will work as a resistance. This will be a first attempt and second attempt. So this is how support and resistance works. So till the time the price my trading is my trade is on, what I will simply do, I will simply pause this video and I'll get back to you, and I will let you know what happened to this trade. So welcome back. As you can see, I am on the profit, so I will simply close this trade because today I do not want to take any trade. So my main motive is to make you understand how the support and resistance lines work. So I will close this video. So anyways, I have make you understand how the support and resistance lines work. So I hope so it will help you for the for your trading. If you find any kind of difficulty on your trading, just write a comment so that I can help you out. And if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel so that I can provide you a way new videos, so that you will able to understand how forex market is work. So please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So till the time, I'm saying you goodbye, take care and good night.